Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the upper ball joint on a Toyota Tundra. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a reliable jack and sturdy jack stands. Safety is paramount, so properly lift and secure your truck on a flat, stable surface. Once the vehicle is safely supported, you can proceed to remove the wheel and tire, which will give you clear access to the suspension system and the ball joint itself. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth repair. Now, let's move on to removing the old ball joint. Carefully disconnect any brake lines or ABS sensor wires that are attached to the upper control arm to prevent damage. Next, you'll need to remove the cotter pin and then the large castle nut from the ball joint stud. Once that's done, a specialized ball joint separator tool is essential to safely and effectively separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle without causing damage to other components. Take your time with this step. With the old ball joint removed, it's time to install the new one. First, thoroughly clean the mounting surfaces to ensure a proper fit and prevent any debris from interfering. Carefully insert the new ball joint into the upper control arm, making sure it seats correctly. Then, thread on the castle nut and tighten it to the manufacturer's exact torque specifications, which is typically around 100 to 120 foot-pounds. Don't forget to install a new cotter pin for security. For the final steps, carefully reconnect the brake line and ABS sensor, ensuring all connections are secure and routed correctly. Then, reinstall your wheel and tire, making sure to tighten the lug nuts to the proper torque specification, often around 90 to 100 foot-pounds. After lowering the vehicle, perform a thorough visual inspection of all components. It's highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment to ensure proper handling and tire wear after this repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.